In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your password on Snapchat. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So first of all, what I'm going to do is open up my Snapchat app. Once I have done that, as you can see, I am not logged into my account. And then what you'll need to do, obviously, as you can see, my username is right there at the top. And I have forgot my password for this account, so if I enter it in, so I have now entered in my password, what I thought it was. So if I click on login, as you can see, oops, we could not find matching credentials. So if you click on forgot your password, what that will do is it will bring up this option here. What you can do is you can click on via phone or via email. So for me, I have actually linked my mobile phone onto my Snapchat account, and this is the easiest way that you can recover it. So if you click on via phone, it will bring you to this page here where you need to enter in the phone number that you have associated with your Snapchat account. And then they will send you a verification code. So I've now entered in my phone number. I'm going to click on continue. Once you click on continue, they will send you over a verification code. And as you can see now, it has entered in my verification code, and I get the option now to set up a new password. So as you can see, I have entered in my new password and confirmed it, and then once I am happy, I can click on submit. Once you click on submit, it will bring you back to this page where you can now log in. So once you've entered in your password, once you click on login, what that will do is it will log you back into your Snapchat account. So that's how you can go ahead and reset your password on Snapchat.